Fishing Fiends, welcome back to another episode. In this one we're going to be fishing a super clear water pond that we found some years ago. It's a pretty good little spot, and I say something about it in the video too, but y'all please leave our fisheries cleaner than you found them. It's ridiculous out there, the amount of trash that you see. But Finesse was the name of the game today. And the star of the show for me was this little 6 cents boost of shakey worm. I think they just came out not too long ago, and an 1/8 ounce owner shaky head. But without further ado, y'all enjoy the video. We'll see you on the water. Peace. There ain't a whole lot of big fish in here though. Man, there are a bunch of them. We'll see them come out of here 3.5, 4 pounds. Which screen is a good fish, but you know, that ain't what we come out here hunting for. Actually fishes probably. It's another thing too, man. When we found this spot, y'all, I mean we found a honey hole, and I know we found it. Ain't nobody never been fishing out here before we came out here. Now the place is trashed. Well, other than that little bit of chill, it is nice out here this morning though. Like, it feels good. Yeah. Yeah. We probably are going to catch a bunch of them today though. Boy, feel that water.
Double going on. Now for a little rebuttal.
Doubled up. Is that a spotted bass? No.
y'all. Doubled up. Cheers, brother. Oh man. Cheers. Pow. Hey, we can get a little double release on it and not fall in the water. Here we go.
Weeb.
That's a better one.
Ooh, that was a bite. You can always feel when these fish hit too. They don't hit. They don't hit for you.
That's the best one of the day right there.
A little bigger. Might have a little ounce or two more on them. Ooh, them hands cold, y'all. Little McDaniel. Little McDangler. Alright, Delbert. Take a bath.
Bathroom intermission, y'all. Alright, y'all. Waiting on James to use the bathroom. Got me a new worm on. See if we can catch one right quick. Bet we can. Those are all beds right there. Those are all beds. Don't see any fish on them though. Dude, look at what they do to those worms. I mean, just bunch them all up. can still see him. This water's so clear out here. Feel better?
Alright, I'm gonna get some little drop shot together. Let's see how long we need that leader to be. Got the party minnow that we're gonna use today. Oh my God, come on. Where's he at? Oh. Damn. He's about to run into the boat. I wish one of them 2-pound brim would bite this motherfucker.
We're gonna get him this time. This is probably the last one, guys. There you go. The shaky head has been putting in work today. That finesse period has been putting in work today. I've caught nothing power fishing. There we go. He needs to go eat some of those shad or whatever they are down there. Minnows.